Bacha some aniti and a Media woody piano. Ube here, sell ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Opage make qua or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and NASA pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. A papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. Bacha some aniti and a Media woody piano. Ube here, sell ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Opage make qua or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and NASA pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. A papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. Bacha some aniti and a Media woody piano. Ube here, sell ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Opage make qua or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and NASA pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603
so yatna see na a somewhat a trebu and a yedabadom adofo. Now what's it yaba? I'm for a moon now evidence on Mukitano a more rum ye pa. Nesamu yata say a dear honorable Dr. John a Kumah or Nyani Pepe acquire ya. Name allegedly no Captain Smart at the assembly to 2 jar, ne sending in air points all fingers and go be a honor so on Wakasan to Johnny here. Say Mrs. Linian Kumah Apostle or no Nessa a wumubi. A quite menso Tamukuchu. Another day a yard Saka secrets meaning any information and internet and copy be a measure. And then they can have a kind of sir, but the man is subscribe me. For comments so at 2 jar. Like a video no share no opian san kebi. Menya me kwa na matna sia me dey in komoy e man say ye ba be didi ye koso no ho ensem ye ba be bobo mu ye pa ene ye be pensen bibie mu dia wonte ye kra no o ba beti ene no oni mo bia oye busheni a fa link no send no na me ka City Event Masters and also ya IIed Media April and until ya dey be a function mo ho wedding parties engagement Anna a year from 0594 603 869 na bibia enko no said ya open no pepepe. Me name Mr. Bruce wa ha I no so your information minister bako ara beka me sa wa ha no ene ye be pension macho what's ya wo yem be show enko ba bia asa na ne nkomo no ebe hye so no mo ma enti ensem mu a Captain Smart edi tudwa ne mresisia enko ba bia
Sir, minim baby a wofri. Basi yetetew. Dey woman no papa dey wo monye boni bia.
Ya fra na
say wo se wo bre wo ho asem yetetew so ba wo fia. Me ka bibia. Ungu kumu efunani mase.
Ajeta.
Wanya ntete yeten.
Onua.
Ebi se wa mbre wo ho asem ya ntetew.
Onua.
What say Job yere no. Our Bible because we are apostle, but we are fake apostle. Nipa kuno share wo sofo no wa hagana
onua
eno me ka kire wo say we be ani say yenya politics there when you will do politics because we know issues Woko DMP. Eti chief of staff ba ho no. Finance committee ba na woni ho na wadi na chiko. Moko di nkomo be.
Kai. Kanozori ba kai me.
Oba kure ni mitri bie wa no kasate so bia wanya daria.
Onua.
Eti Kumah oni abusia.
Onua.
Ana se den kwa denya. Sabi eburu sabi enyado. Ye minister yi onye kwahwe aban o. Sabi eburu sabi enyado. Onye kohwini. Na wo na wo se esa wo ye ne yere. Na wutime to ho gufam. To say kraman bi ni. Ah, mame. We your band me gum.
Onua.
We gu ho anim ase. We anim guasefo.
Listen to the king.
When nyantete ye papa. Se tete wo yi enso a na woni nim de ya ye de so.
Listen to the king of morning shows.
Si utrasi we ade nyo obi na akument.
Oba bi o ha wo wa na ye manage no ye ja no. Wanya wo manage na da obewu no obegu anim ase.
Listen to the king of morning shows.
Ada obewu no obegu anim ase. Eti Kumah ye nipa mu sei bema sei. Untimi nsu nkunu. Wakwani ase kaje.
Gwen.
Na step number 1. When I was here, so ukunu terminal ailment no kunu. But your terminal ailment no. Wo kwa wa no wo.
Onua.
Terminal wo kwa wa joke na wo sayare na say aduane bi na ma ne nyae.
Onua ma chi o.
Wo so na wo se wo na wo no aduane.
Onua.
Eti maami kurani wo kwa wa John Kumah no wo sayare no. Sam koye interview biom.
Si utrasi we ade nyo obi na akument.
Ana se wo ware ni wie ye no. Ena mu mienu mu akwantuo no mu no onya sayare no. Me busa wo.
Onua.
Beniti wey menya carpenter. Wo kuru ye minister, me minister. Me yan central ni me busa kosa. Ti me busa wasem.
Onua.
Ena John Kumah eye me tax na editua neka.
Onua.
Ghana for tax na editua neka.
Ye dwene mu.
Ena wo dibi.
Onua ma chi o.
Eti maami e me na me feed you. Chop money na wo kunu yi no. Tax wo mu. Wasa na editua neka. Timebusa what's terminal ailment, terminal illness, terminal disease, and a kuno. Wani. Patro, who are no was higher, no. And I wouldn't movie. And then I meant yes, and I'm doing well. I don't take shot and take madness. That we won't worry John Kumah. Only no was sad terminal ailment. Na Yamachio. I then no nyaye. When I bet me actually Ghana for. I just because when I was here, someone in the Tembia baby or could be account and so Tamalani Kumase, no can't quit no winning hobby. I just the Samra now one akun. Only enter when did a chi. Onyamachio. And I don't want one minimum to the one kind of one. I will just want to know harmless questions. Eti say wo be wa no no owa na na busuafo nim. Ana na wo nim. Ayebia sa terminal ailment no. Say onya owari wuye no nya ya na na busuafo ya we.
Because
of cheap politics. Yeah, too depend you yamne nkwa.
Bibini and Nipo.
New poison part. New poison part. A poisonous part. Bemana who want no. When I was here, so me I don't know. Because we have marriage certificate to be a match. I only be match. Me and to us. Say some evidence.
Onyamachio.
Yes, who evidence we are. Because me no be work. Class me on it. Be at 35 years. You know 4. Bema no hear you who says on here and what here. So we want to see your marriage certificate. Publish it. That's why we are asking only questions.
Kukurudu.
Pacho. Bema na wona wo se se wukunu no. Wo wa no no wo sa yare no.
Ye dwene mu wo.
Ana wo ware ni wie ye no no nyaye. Kwasa.
Enu na menti ase na me do I don't take short and take madness.
Ghana is interested because yenye sika na aban de hwe John Kumah okọ India ni Germany no. Ghana aban sika na ye de hwe no.
Ojaye.
Eti wukunu onya sa yare na so be ware wo. Ana so ware wo wie ye. Enu nyae.
Kukurudu.
We want to know.
Fellow Kukurudites.
And run me by and me catch you say you nkrofo to change the narrative. You cannot. Number 2. Oba kuna need ye say wenya nteteye papa wenya sada. What's up politics inti we guwa wo ma we busua.
Listen to the king of morning shows.
Sabe he? Mo amosi mani abie no mo nko. Me mfa no ho. Na mmom omen say ye wo Ghana month mpo sabi eburu sabi enya do men kan so obi nwo da bi da ne mpo sanka John wu February ana October ke bi mpo aka wo de yes ane men ne mum Ghana month ye say Ghana ye kusum ne ya mane asante amane ye ntontwere no sa month ne mum mpo ena kunani e hopete say grasshopper gwen. Na politicians
Listen to the king of morning shows.
Na fe ne mabiri kru no kru na wu na mama waye ni ti moja ni pieba
mama show
na ye be cancel
mama show down.
And let me tell whoever, nobody under the sun born of a woman can do anything to me.
Onuya
Upempie dia enya hwe saka wo yo ba nyansafo a
ye tie Captain Smart oja
kamotra se didi nkomo twen kata wurachi na wotwe mpom mai
wani
People nyame mama show down.
se nkraman na kasawie ene nyame adom nso a wo ye kurani nso akasawie. So what?
We ye chimini.
Onuya
So what? Says
Who are Jimmy for Abebru?
And run Kraman na kasawie ena wo nso nyame adom
What?
yes, hold on. Wo de wo kurani a wo nso wo refri mu wo akasawie. So what? What would your party for now?
I don't take short and take madness.
Ghana for
Onuya
and yes, say ye makono
Fellow Ghanaians.
na what do you say me ni brebia bo metimi akotena me nkube fuom metimi akotena me mefum metimi akohwe me mprako ana nkraman na wo me fi what say MPP nkraman na nra yetu omuka 20,000 na mo amufi asante region ba say musika sa
Morning shows.
we free Kumah say abaji 20,000 no be tinkraje 40,000 we cheap Kumah say presenters na mo bank na mo cheap what na o basim AS teen editor what me abetna krom ha ya from wa ba fiada najo what na basim najo abedu kran me ya ma 20,000 no be tinkraje 40,000 we cheap.
Onuya
Presenter ba ko bi de wo kwaye okofodua wudi mirika hu ko na wudi mirika jaye no ho ba won san kora wa mo wo ba na wo ye mumu hwe phone no so sambo a won so ba na abaji 20,000 na di ote a wan ko ba bia ya man 40,000 won so ye cheap me no mo don me no mo wi
The king of morning shows.
red wine de wuni
Ajeta.
Timo amowe nsane jot ne wi wo studio no me nka
o
panel member beba studio na cigarette age ho say to so muntimi ntena se je eche to bi o wa ni show je opon be 12:30 cause cigarette age ho
gwen de wuye pa ka say
me ka ho Yet a team of Pentecost.
Onyamachi.
Let me repeat it last one. My board chair. Onkoye oil deal be amianje in the tankers. Anti be on cocaine da.
Onuya.
Mr. Niyama on fire babia on the garage man ko 100,000.
Onuya.
Me say bring it on.
You get it?
Have videos be a member bono.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Videos be a member bono. Member bono sam. Hey.
Campaign attention.
Na ede na Goliath kwa yo David. Wo yare ebo one bekun.
Campaign attention.
Eti maame. Hwe. Kan wano no tumu bab.
Onuya.
Na suura. Na nyefe.
You get it?
Me enra. Me friend ni pebi obobo wondi. Obi asa obo a won kan kore.
Wait. Ojaye.
We a fake apostle.
Ojaye.
Ni pebi o share wa apostle no.
Ojaye.
Wa hagana. Amen fa won si ha. Won ko primaries.
Wani.
Men share that so mposa wo mpewu misrewo.
Oh, I don't know.
Men share that nkasa afedie MP di wundi wa adwo so hokokodi. Because MP people dey ukunu wu a ena wudi MP.
Fechire nema wa ase wa ba ne yesterday.
Ntimi sesei no me da nyame ase.
Onuya.
Kame ware MPP ni. Na makowu.
Ojaye.
Because adekuna ekum mema no so e besa hwehwem.
Wait.
Onuya.
Bema no wu yare e de na yeda kwhye ho. Nti den na si ye. Wa be ye ma me ye friend say the owon kra he Lydia otene baby ukoka beka no. Me wo fa MP. Infantman MP.
Wani.
Ophelia ukoka beka no. When who said the Ophelia ni Alasan? Ma mienu we ya won so kunum fi mu ya wosun wo kunu.
Onuya.
Alasan what ne? Lydia what ne? Seriam what ne?
But that is not my concern.
Why not say Seriam ne?
Lydia
ne? Said ni wure film mana bie na no akasa. Mami we kept herself as a decent, well-cultured and trained woman. Ophelia oto de bo asetna ase because me ne me ma me no kan ho aye kofi aye kochia am say ma mami de waye no asome ne do wutu say ya tete no ya boa no onum nyansa Ophelia wa dwen ene nim dia ya de bobra so ba ani ku da frim ya wu ye
Smart.
wo ya man krofo bi akokeka bibi bam.
But that is not my concern.
Na jagezi na say me some yeribusuani anka me pono
bang bang bang
Bang.
if you say oba bia ni asase so a
Onuya.
obre ne ho asem ye tete ni yi a
Onuya.
ni kuna frima obebo sa abra
That's sure. We and some brand Captain Smart body to ja ewo onya match eso. One ne ya adwene ana one ne enya adwene. Asam ne bebre wo ho. Yatsena ske ba be kansa e de akire obi piara. Me ne Mr. Bruce wo ha ye be twetwe enkomo. Wait me de odi aba e wo comment section no honom. Like a video no na share na obi ansa nkebi. And then they can have a kind of sense so share video no be answer and kebi. But man so the video too much now ni people di kan san kebi. Mr. Bruce akwaba.
Yeah.
Ezama brand e dia tijua e ya dia emu obram ye pa emu so otu. Sebe oba kunafo sebe no waka na eni kwan san ka oba bedwem e kasa bebre. Ona e your direct husband enye se wunua ba ana wunua kunumpo. Wan kasa wukunu. Enti o hwe efa bi mu no sa na wo sanke kono ana se wakọ over the bar
Me chia watie for ni obi a hwe me ne me ra ho se me journalist
ade
na me ra ho so se me ni mo bi ti se Captain Smart na me ra ho so se be bi ti se multi TV na o mo tete no because multi TV for mo tete o mo na mo kasa say first of all why disrespectful to womanhood. Why disrespectful to the people of Ghana? And now and why shameful to himself? Now let me explain. Now Obama me Hasadin, where Hasadin said because nobody accused somebody of poisoning them.
Okay.
Nikuno and no say on man conform fat in someone to Nikunoso. What I said? You can say a good wife. A good wife is the one who defends you in time of trouble. Onima make country. What can my journalist Papa in our Ghana in Asa ya won't can you know you have facts? And then the captain's wife Santa or hind any cancer or person near me ho ebemusa. What is he talking about? No, what is his beef? Can't somebody be sick? Now, I don't say he has the right to know because he will pay. Yera Attacks, not a certain president. Who? Can he tell what killed him? Can Yera Captain Smart tell what killed Attacks? A certain president. Was he not being paid by the tax money? Yes. It should give us a break. As if said he is somebody. He owns the whole Ghana. He doesn't own anybody. If you ask who can man, it's your word against mine.
Okay.
Oh, besides said, not letting him. So, but who cares? Who cares whether even the lady knew?
Okay.
Oh, be why you won't yare. Every time you know yare. Why are you making this statement as if who can just say by just a bien? Because who to me can't tell me say Nipan Baba were no ni mana. A stupid question and in the most stupid answer. Nipan obeti me no way who and yare. Adentina or insist say obi the poison papa no. If you have facts and you are a man, mention them or go to the police station. Sa insinuations ne sa kasa na twam.
Okay.
Ya ka ewiase wo de bia me ka se me say opo bia sro na sro bia waye din. Obi okasa bebre no otimi nya hwe. Oni sro bia bi. Captain is talking too much. Na no ya tra. Enya first time sometimes the way oyi yam penifo no wi a o se atete no Pentecost na to shame unto you. Pentecost for they'll be ashamed of you. The language and in the speech, the way of Kasano, and yet obi a yatitino. Oh, ya okunafo. And then now, woman be feeling say the woman has something to do with the husband's death. What is wrong with you? And you expect her to keep quiet? Or no, one woman, be here, sir. Will he be happy? And the women of this nation are quiet. Bema ya oba say ogu oba ni mase I will say obi obewu bia ni na kunana. Why are we talking as if we are stupid? Obi ewu eda homo bia NDC for bebewu ye. Are we saying they were also poisoned? Masa Ghana ni esumo. Don't let us go and take money and start saying certain things. You say you and Nigel Gacy, you are one. You go to his church. The story behind when Nigel himself Papa you know. So why are you twisting the facts? And people are listening to him. What is wrong with us?
But can't a poison in your system cause any illness,
I don't know. I am not a doctor.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is that when Obiwu me mami who the medical report by I didn't even contest because I am not a doctor.
Okay.
What I said? Obi was explaining the woman. What did even the woman say? I said, Captain, who evidence be? Bring it to me. I said, well, okay, does the woman demand this stupid response from Captain Smart?
She's demanded evidence.
I said no, because she doesn't know. I said, as far as she's concerned, the husband was not poisoned. But who evidence be a for no police station?
Okay, but looking at another aspect of this story, It's less than a week that your husband passed out. Must you come out to grant every interview?
And must people start saying somebody poisoned him when it was not poison? You want her to keep quiet?
Wait, you should answer me first.
No, I'm also asking a direct question. Because me could not win it. Obi can't talk out on the swat. Should I keep mute? I shouldn't.
I saw himself, Okasabe bra, and that's a Okon Tokwa Obi could be mounted.
And talk about as me say, assemble no catch Captain Smart, Captain Smart, Dima Minate.
Or say, assemble Captain Smart, a kind.
There be me say, assemble no mammy catch Captain Smart, Captain Smart, echo to the extent say, your share, woman no, cassock no, why you Ghana what the service. I will be real here.
According to Captain Smart, no, the reason for he using that statement, is because the woman is lying, according to him. Dictionary.
He is lying for what? As someone make a head, you can't obey what facts.
Okay.
Ghana, Village, you can't go around that woman. Captain Smart or Kasakwa, only facts we are. Village, Rebecca said Captain Smart doesn't have any evidence. Also, Captain Smart, inside and out, he is doing journalism.
But
no, he knows what she's also talking about. I don't think that Captain Yanni, you want us to believe.
Okay, it's obviously Bisa say, even though the funny said the Captain Ekano it's wrong, the woman is right, fine. But then, is she not supposed to be mourning?
And who says she's not mourning?
Somebody who is mourning.
No. She was interviewed about the possibility of her husband being poisoned. She needs to set the record straight. I say, I was with him. Prior to that, make a chair and say, doctor's advice said, don't move around. No, what Germany or by because of 6 months. The guy has been sick for over years.
Okay.
The wife knows. Into a personal doctor or following about. In the course of Amobano, and not starting to all lose breath. Go and check the symptoms of blood cancer and you will know. Okay. It's all lose breath. They gave him what? Oxygen. They tried their best and he went. What is the poison here?
Okay. We are not talking about poison issue over here. We are talking about her personality. Doesn't mean say she wasn't even in love with the husband like she claimed. Why would she be even granting interviews in the first place?
No, if my husband is dead or not, my wife is dead, and you came to me and said, was your wife poisoned? You don't have the right to say no. What are we talking about here?
Okay, it also means that you're protecting your own self.
No, and yet no, or protecting her, or starting even from the Genesis when she even met the man. Okoya ko eko kan said no oyare. Because owu ye na Nigerians started sadie no. E ko shatron remember? Owie na Bedukobi started here and Captain Smart started here. These are people who are disgracing the man who is dead.
Before the woman came out to say all these whatever no. Was she having the autopsy and as later an autopsy in the guy?
Me pacho enyamina bikuno no. Meaning when the autopsy was granted. But Obaye no or no clarify said the autopsy report or one said he died of what? Blood cancer.
So meaning that she knew the husband was sick before they got married.
That's what I'm saying. And yes sir, me ka say you omo wari na me ho. Me say utie me here. Me say nipa utimi yare in the course of your life. At each point in time. Obi or last year no nyare, this year when you serious sickness, a body near can once. Whether Obaba worry no, Asa no nyayo, so worry no nyayo, she knew at a point, said it was blood cancer.
Then it means that the person behind the scene is also the one involved in working out the things.
Working out what things?
Because if I am staying with you, now men I may feed you, men I may show in and out, I make sure everything is in place, and you are sick, it's definitely from a source.
But when Attacks was sick, was it from a source?
Of course.
Where?
No, do you
know the source? Why you people listen? Through the black line. It's not what you did or what you ate.
So if it's through the blood line, it's supposed to be from infancy.
Acquired. Okay. Acquired, it does not always mean say it was through your bad niyama oye. Obit minya HIV.
Okay.
Ya ba ko hwemu no, oye virgin.
Okay.
Tonya wen.
Say
If you have blood transfusion and I say or barber shop and abibi, is that me boa?
Yes.
The same way no, obit mi yare a, you name the cause of it. Cancer as it is now, you name the cause of cancer. A speculation here.
Okay.
So what I say. Now, when you obit, na nipa start to say oh develop yare bia. You'll be the first person because you are the wife.
Okay.
Now, you stay with the person and try to find a solution. Cancer. Papa being your friend white. Obi oni bi on your leukemia. No skapa. You didn't go as far as India. But in the long run, oh yeah. Was he poisoned by the wife?
Leukemia.
Leukemia is cancer.
It's poisonous to your system. So definitely you
Master, what are you talking about? These people are talking about poison. Somebody giving poison. You're also talking about poison from your system.
So somebody is claiming say or no na they poison is seen so no they man.
Master.
That is why she didn't travel with the husband. So
Master,
why was she at
home? Why who killed the husband for what? After all, they are not struggling in life.
Okay.
He's what to do. She's also what to do. So why? And then I say you we are mad.
Okay. Just the way obinya sika ye due muka say nipa we abanise no nya nisika obi apeso hu due ye no. That's the same way as if
Ghana ankoso no. Enotin na Ghana ya ankoso no. Ko Nigeria, omo di sika etu omo. Obi to make us say I am rich.
Yes.
And that makes the country to progress. Aha, obi ko water region. Odu tema, no park in the car, no afa. You were a stupid person. You were a mad person. Why not so? It means that your country man we don't want progress. Then we are you're pushing it back down.
I know prevention is better than
there is nothing like prevention. When I'm going to my hometown, maybe if you man think, but I take my car every time. Because do you know what? Sometimes your actions alone. Why do you hide?
You only hide when you have baseless backends.
What baseless backends?
For instance, you are not working with God, and I say, "Nyame home the time which I am proud to," because I also be for bekum.
Obi wo nim nyame po, but obi antimi nya hwe.
Because nyame dey shira.
And say obi antimi nya hwe. What I'm trying to tell you is that
okay.
Yen jai sa de na obi ne kun no na enkwasesem. What you say? Yen jai who evidence go to the police and submit a name. And when be na so for the or kasa na me for say or be body here or body because only evidence yes say politics won. Ya hwe ye be bo man.
Okay.
Because of politics inti obi who say dey red or say green. One say black or say no we are mad. And you know what? Yeah, say your manu in Trojan.
Okay.
President or my chum will be at him now a catro. Including a current president. Or to be catch and say Ghana is doing well. When you know say Ghana is down.
Yeah.
Joe Mahama did the same. Abu Ben United did the same. Yeah, say your point and say and Troy. So what I say?
It means everybody is lying.
May say and penny for they are the leaders. They are showing the way. It's a open ultimate general come and try. Meanwhile, Captain knows that you can and no cry. He knows it. Okay. But because of cheap journalism, he will come there and stand and say all those things.
So it means that whatever he's saying can be used against him in the court of law.
That is for the police to decide whether they want it.
Mercy Kumsino, see, hey, Pastor, do you have problems with Captain Smart?
Me. I know him very well. I know him. I'm not a pastor, please. I know him one-on-one. I know him. I've worked with him at Adom TV before, so I know him one-on-one. As a journalist, you need to have what we call conscience.
Okay.
And yet, in the name of sensationalization, you are saying no BNTA. Sometimes we need to keep our mouth shut.
Okay.
Because in some wild things that he's saying, or as if say it was planned to kill him, and yet they are paying MPP people. You understand? Wild things. If you have evidence, you know where you should place it. He's old enough. He doesn't have to come and do this. We are tired of this thing will put food on my table.
Okay, so is it because you are protecting the woman from the public domain, or because you do not want him to continue what he's saying?
What he's saying has no basis.
Okay.
If what you are saying is backed by facts, I'm okay. There are times that it will be what so before a cocoon, sir, NPC. That is criminal. And you say we demand say we should do thorough investigation. Up to now, you move.
Yeah.
What I say, Nasama said Papa did the wife become an MP? If you see what Captain say, any logical. Okay. And say oh be kana, and yami no ba catch me. Ubejina TV so now can say now catch me. I'm not the way. I'm in your court, in your police. Take the case to the police. Let them investigate. Near chini panel. When you are the court, near friendly panel, then come on and speak the name. Say me the day where you call. Say yankee. But you don't come and degrade a woman who is mourning. It's bad. Okay, it's a young person baby new chrome and it's a person Captain Smart. Only the for now. Make us on the Yamika beyond here. Miss or evidence of our police station. It's simple. Okay. Where every Mark Norbert, I say please behold with this issue so far. Prophet Bedukobi revelation. I think the revelation he has seen the person who did it, and he may only tell wife if he wants. You know, according to a Mark no, or say Prophet Bedukobi were who ni papro kuno. But all can't let me know, or back at the Minim Yameko each level. Minim say Yamina, Minim no say Yamefro. But what all I'm saying is that you see, Mumma starting Yamabi or Ghana Kakra. Okay. And for Jimmy Yachadodo. In the name of religion, people are hiding behind and say, I know who kills this one. Or Big Cracker said, I know who killed the president Attacks. Yes. Actually, now has somebody talked? This is the thing that we need to stop. If you have evidence, take it to the police. We want to know the truth. But any obi a woman and the bushia, the bushia ni bakura meka say, ni a woman they can go. The bushia they own the man. What as a primary? Oh my meka chow say, Edia, nya your bani can ewo. And I won't run it down me go. Man, oh die. What are we doing to ourselves? Say obi Ghana will be pressure kuobi. Yes, obi na ekuno. Why are not that one? Beat me woo and I've maka instances are obi on man go hospital daddy and go. So as I said, we need to sensitize ourselves. Spirituality and obi no. Okay, this is also from Norbert. I say let's search it spiritually and see out truth. Only discussion can solve the problem. And Norbert, man, there are also laws in Ghana. Okay. So let the laws also work. Okay. Young for assembly because let them dig and bring us evidence. Suddenly you become evidence in him, and more. So just like I said earlier in the morning, say even if we find the evidences and whatever out, and it's a spiritual thing, we can still fight it in court. So it will be between them to consider what to do next. And so you're trying actually more say Prophet Bedukobi. Wabakwa akoka edin natural maame no na se maame no so pe wabakwa chi nipa na atum anaso won kochi no titi event masters and also as na dey media ebro fa kwa hwe wo bia ne say wedding party engagement ade bia ye hwe mu ade bia to chi on 0594603869 no be do media ne emfa ma ade a ye hunu nsem a etwagu e wo montene so okay last comment Ofori Johnson was watching from Italy. I like this man, he is bold to say the truth. Okay, kudos to Mr. Boo. Also, Eda was Johnson, thank you for watching. Keep sharing, share. Now, Obiansa and Kebi. Yeah, don't accept no more esuko. Yeah, to say, Dr. Grace Boy do Saturday, yeah, and I said, you corporate of Corabre. Never, and send me out to unity after that incident. No, I'm my nearby if you are nigger at the bombshell, be able to jaw for what's here. Obekasi kukurudu there's no eshi ye bia yenti ensama wadi tu dwane mresi sia enko bebia Grace Boyd obusu for ye and memle dan Grace Boyd mame ish Minam kasma busu afo en won obata busu bi ho mutimi kofa bema oba ne ne jai akofa mema foforo ohini woni ni jai ansa na okofa sojani ansa na fi sojani wo okofa sofi in between crowd ema ni besi akonwa
Emma neba be ye kuna. Hey. Safe in a comabusia for dear. I will accord them some respect because my family will not do that. Hey, my bosom have one pesca for me fearful. Pesca for king. Me fearful, but wait your money. Hey, me wa father me a menu money maju. Or bow any bear may jai. Any bear my for I need any so Sophie and Eo. I need any so called South Africa, Sophie try a ticket, a man called South Africa. Sophie, be did the quadri plane ticket, scour ho. Emma, you try a ticket, man. I ain't him say, sister, any Sophie, you call a year, and never for the chili moment than a so. Sister, you did Sophie Yechi. Now, on any dear, I don't know why we took for to be shem conform more far could not do good Jimmy. And yeah, no cry and Becca I made on Kumah and I'm on friend of mine. Mon friend on Kumah no me or may have because I come in 30 minutes namiko. And I work with time because I need to be this and can somewhere to me. You know, it shocked me. It shocked me. Or buy one person on a bem, and then on him to me answer and really tribute. A woman who doesn't want to have anything to do with a man. Say na mube good anymore say. Apart from the fact that no ma many ye na see good never anymore say. Or bad time will be woo, and hona will be chekora. Na se na Hayford, and the connected sister no, Edenema sofuna na Hayford or the Tuosi in it. Time when I'm called Jessica or soft no honor. Now Mokwa Muchemo de Fambre na Hayford na. Time one, now Moko bad no quaffo. Echo Jessica. Time when I'm with the Grace, Echo Rehab. Time my Grace. Some pensamati. Time when I'm with the Grace, Bodu, Echo Rehab. I was South Africa because no one be a drug addict. No one addicted to petadine. Come and tell me that I'm lying. She was addicted to petadine. Petadine is a painkiller. And because Oyenes ni no ato one home, eventually she became addicted. Why na eko be a company? I work another country. Yet show family natural letter of consent. Edema doctor. Emi edeneko. Time when I'm bano, I am addicted to drug. Petadine, for that matter. Petadine. Or call rehab or South Africa free or buyer will be woo you. I'm a sika or soften home. Any try plane ticket, no. Says can come on now here for the Biana. And now you think you will get up and disgrace the woman. And some of us will sit down and watch you disgrace the woman. She is our role model. She is our mentor. Some of us, we call her mother. Dear, what's now? Yeah, no. And Nessa Kofa will bind to one never the down on the say, Metia, or Bataya will be woo. I will you choose and pick. Or Bataya will be woo. I will you choose and pick. A doma will ban any woman. Woman a bear, you know. Your daughter was an addict that you people know. She was addicted to petadine. Petadine. Painkillers. I don't know other one home. Die me. Let her never for signing my doctor. No. Doctor na say, more petuni na ya kano. Doctor no. I'm a petuni say no. Obia obey grace be a petuni na ya kano. You wanted to embarrass Nana Hayford. But I won't say that you put sit down table no. Because a grieving mother doesn't do that. Oba taya ni be wu aye ya. No wonder. Oba taya ni be wu aye ya. Oba taya ni be wu aye ya. And I walk manson. Menu nuanom das yo. Menu nuanom das. Yes, because e japade e die nti na adom ase. enti na woda na se. Enti na woda na se. Adien toweni on. Adien toweni. Nothing fall for your eye. No, just say, hey, unya mrenye woba. Hey, unya mre, enya ni, enwu se we ne buy. Na woba na ye on pebre no. Woba na audio bia ni din wom le bedi de di miska bedi de pebre bedi de no. Nipa won pebre. Ye di nisi bank no kra ye tum. Nipa won pebre. Ebi wo mabusuam ye friend prince. You di nisi bank no kra bank no betum. You di nisi bank no kra ye betum. And they say working machine no Marco see no. Nyame moamo. Nya no nti number ha no pay. Nya no kwenti na me number timi 1.14 nante. Na mo share video 64 no ma share. Enti me go school. E down be ready no ma kan me hu. Nipa 1.1 mo beti ensem. But video dey mo share. Oh yes, she was addicted to petadine. I'm not making it up. Me say, I don't come and sit here and make stories up. Nasa sister nankasa the first audio ne about no kind. Say na busu ya for pa omonko kasa we addicted to petadine. Enfano. She was addicted to petadine. She was self-medicating. She went to South Africa for a rehab. Yes, she went for a rehab. Oba say me bo rehab center didn't you? Yes. She went to a rehab. One could be a hospital or call hospital to cure herself from her drug addiction. And you be na de panye no ko wono. And you be na prescribe petadine man. That is why the mother was not supposed to do what she did. You don't disrespect na effort. Why you would then na nipe ukura nenka asemasa. Me yana ye na se obai oberi funu no. Oba tan nesa o. Oba tan ade ato nani nesa. Oba tan ade ato nani. Enesa. How much will you pay when I speak English? Because now everything comes with money. Oba tan ade ato nani wonye de we enu. It was so off. It was so off. It was so uncalled for. It was so untraditional. It was so untraditional. Then card you to when you quick crowd. What to ho? Ni quick crowd. Na ye power chow. And ye and settle airball book. Ma make a fra. Ma make a fra. Ma make a fra. When you lose your child, you replace that child with the nanfofo. Enumti na yenum bi besine ye nanfo num bi ewu a yetimi kom maame ho e koma niska koma na aduane. What I say? Because the way I'm embracing your way na so no ye hu say we have replaced that gap. What dear, oh, bayami yare. Oh, baba, audios na yateno. Yabedia, unim. If I ever doubted anything your daughter said, your attitude said more. Mon kanitri. If I ever doubted, audios na minsakano, and some matatiano, audios na mi kurano, doc papers and mi kurano. Dan mama me didi sana me njibibi ni woma me dan o man na for 4 stars no do say na ba o mo na mo fa ka ba fie o be didi ba jiska eye videos no do say na ba they saw through you people. They saw through your bullshit. Mommy, the other year ubano kone ko panacho me catch your point blank camera and see uswa kone ko pa grace acho se mutimi ko fa be ma woni na gya aware se wo mra me ni kuna na be amachi bare hene no omunye ho ba ku se omunye ho ba ku se odi fia kana konwa aka wo man no sa papa na le mintin se de wa wi akaka duro mu no odi fin aka konwa de bi aka wo man no oba na oda be ma foforo achi utimi tutu ntoma fa keteko jana me ye grace na woni me ye dia awarefo nyina ye awarefo nyina na wudi no because na sofu di di no na sofu no di na no pa wi na anwume na wudi no na wo hwe no na me na aduane di oko South Africa no me diska wo ho onko diska wo sofu no o me di bi wo ho when you wasem asante say eno ni asema mbabe kan asante amamre no mo modify no mo ya masa ye no bi ya asante sema ye time mo di fin kan wotumfo mo di ani mgoase kan wotumfo wo amache bare hene e wo so wotumfo fra wa hemfie na ba kira asem wemu oba wo de nsa beja aware wo si won kono nkobodwa wo ba ni si wo modwa eja wakofa sojani eja wakofa sofo apa sofo na cha so won ware no wo omuyasa na mbe board use efa mi twem kwasi ni ba jimifo wo timi kwatena sese wo ba be yo ba nuku na ho amachi bare hene ummu oza wo hene no wo di fin mu fin na dia ba cafe wa akonya ummu I don't know where we are taking our traditions and customs to. They be as anti ahemfo mo be go otumfo anim ase every fucking day. Every fucking day mo be go asanti hin anim ase be go asanti ene galamse na mo de mo asase ya mo di nkrofo ire no ene nkrofo ire na mo di a mo fa akonwa na mo di nkwase asam mo go asante hin anim ase asante fo ahemfo no bi jimi na doso jimi no oba waja woni wo be ma foforo e na ebo brade owu a ene wona akoye ne kuna froko na anim nyansa asiasem sa wodi frin afi man fa fo di asante hina tem ni di asante fo atem a na mo na machie na mo frɛ efia wate de ho ahwan aka efia wa mo de ho ahwan aka mudi nkwasiasam wo amache bare hine e wo so tu fo frɛ wa mfie gina wo se na me yere na me obi a wawuo ohina wote akonya so ko twantwa to obi a wawu so wa boda moate na wo yere ne hwan na wo yere ni grace na no pacho se bible no kwafo wan no na wo yere ni grace na wo pacho se bible no kwafo wan no na because sister no ye won one voices me sofo no me nyada no se me yada sofo na kamanso pa ka medi na ni ma me atwe no na me nim no e na me asofo asem grade o kan bia be third person I did ya wa life no ya audios wo yire ni wo ba na no pa be ma fofo acho so won no ana wo yire ni wo ba na ni busuafo gi be ma fofo sika e de hwa ni yare no me time aso aka 5 minutes prophetess Lilian Kumah woni akan bi ye wate taso na asante amamre mu de e bia na me ho no me fa amamre mu asante amamre na gina no oh yeah sasofu ni sika akwa akodi wo mo enti no e wo se yakofa amachi bare John no no betina se no be yekuna because of ni kwa eye na se a obetimi agi ni sika ni na legal term Eyemara no money mranim for be atnas no my said man. But Amachi Bareno is just an asshole. Grace Wood will push you for year and memory dan. Hey, Grace Wood do mammy. Ish. Madam Casma Bussian for 1 more, but a Bussian be ho. Hey, much me cofa bema or barn in a jay. I cofa mema for. Or he knew any giants and offer so Jenny. And son of Fiso Jenny walk of us so free.
Other for way and somewhere nearby if you shall snake Eddie atu a jar. On any adre and on any end yardrin, Madame Sepan comment on what you are by Miss me admire you be pa. Staff nurses or Bob home or the almost admire would be I and one or no. Anyway, Mikao said city event masters and I saw yas near. Yet did you mediate air bro and if I call she will piano. Na mekao so ya give your friendship mo so your wedding party engagement eyo Christine from 0594603869 ye bona ye be and it's your bedroom Mr. Bruce and this me chat to na ye the answer so Mr. Bruce well last message and from Captain Smart any if you sure
Captain Smart or you be a wire to manager and this will be time but on my eye will say obi e be na and far kwanwa e say ti me ka chere no. Okay. On you're bigger than anyone. And are you being obia minimum penny for no does not place you above anybody.
Okay.
We are all equal before the law.
Yeah.
There were times or cancer you praise no, but when you walk overboard, you should give respect to the woman whose husband is dead.
Okay.
Now under evidence no. Obia stop it no. If it's a man, no evidence now, you should take it to the police station. Na police for him na baby e dan e fa to high time Ghana ye jai saade ne se obi ewu a obi ne kun no ye na mo nyina ye yare nim na ye nim ebi musu nim e shomboto wa sabe me medical reports enye se ye open enti obi ewu a let's be cautious na ye hu sania ye ka asem no na poison na ye ka no emfa nipa ne ma e na emma ye nsi ne kun no ano because ye ken and my ye hwehwemu ni ehu the causes of even ye de ba no and when so be a poison na so for abegina I know who killed him adia enim yes ewu let's be careful na if you sure can say me be you know nyasasem ebi so amintena say maame na wa ne ba na wu no ono nim nie nti a o chie bi no me fi na busuam e na onyame maame enti ono nim ena amamre mu no se nipa no onfa sankoe anaso mebo amanye ne engu shira onyae we ya wonkofo bebre legally no they are married even obebu nsadipo na efie sabe yengu nsa enyi fi mu ya yenyae enti onsua amamre ne ye ebia na eya kasakasa ne ba no mutiti ye ba ebia fie no yengu aware ne eno sa no obani anase beba ni wu a obekuna nti eno so na ewo
okay ade a ye hu se bibi trend pa a efri sofo bible no pa for nakache na it's just a post on Instagram yen share post na yin kan ai bible no pa for dia oppost ye no enie
somewhere among the echo the pressure is getting worse pressure na ma kura kono ma wonderful and will be the match shall be as one. So what am I saying?
I want him to be a family member in Mguasie Akwaba. Na ebi mo amayati asie say sa video ya na se picture ya wo share ye kame ya say ye ma papa yi anas wo so for Bible no kwafo ekoyi kuna. Meanwhile no it is alleged say they were just there, they stayed for 2 years without being married. Enti adenti ene ebema bema onware wo ayekuna. Mr. Bruce,
me patchom na me ni obi na ye mo bi state. You see, this are all speculations. Hwe ebusuan nya dam se obi asebe o me ware nipa no no me ma na ayekuna.
Enti ade na ye bema wa ko kind widow where
enu de me na me pa se me ni ho me nim o ma ware mu sem. Who say lady ni ye interview bi or the delay. Or she's a happily married person. One can nipa wa ware no.
Emilia.
Yeah, Emilia. Enti lady no ma yeti asese or a married woman.
Yes.
So what I say, who say, so for you or na so jeni bi or na so for you can say bia. You don't even know why the pastor feels threatened. Obi obet me threaten you be a worry the pan legally.
Exactly.
Be a officer or right over the woman. Or no obet me threaten na or also the backing of a family. And let's notice. So for the class of Kaputia 1 week, I was saying, went here. But Papa went here, or Mamma not name every your friend tribute. As I kuna. It's in near war, and I said, you'll be a worrisome. All for me to put a will be here. We have private life and we have public life. It's in the other yes.
It's the American so I see and you shall brand show you, who dear papa and your papa. But as I saw the comment about with your man and say, higher Afric Media, higher too much GH, and then that the car. They did Kaya, Bekai, and Sadia, best sure, so what I want is so I subscribe it. The beard of our comment bra, like a video to share with Yansa and Kevin. Yamana, ye pay, bidding Yane, Abena, Annie, Yakao.
Bacha some Aniti and IIed Woody piano. Ube here, sell Ube track a home info at the Atoho. Page Mekwa or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who IIed Media Fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for you so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum poniswa. A papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. That's just